Here are 7 settings you need to turn on right now if you want to start growing faster on YouTube. These settings are often overlooked, but they can make a real difference in how many views and subscribers you get per video, especially if you are a small YouTuber trying to get noticed. Alright, so grab your pen and paper and let's go through each one. No time wasting, let's get straight into it. Alright, so first up is something simple but really powerful: channel keywords. You'll find them inside YouTube Studio under settings. Okay, so when you log into your YouTube Studio, there is a settings icon down there. Click on the settings icon, then you click on channel. After clicking on channel, you will see basic info. So these keywords help YouTube understand what your entire channel is about. Okay, think of them as channel identity. All right, if your channel is all about YouTube growth tips like mine, you should include keywords like YouTube tips, small YouTubers, YouTube SEO, and so on. Okay, this is especially important when your channel is still new and YouTube hasn't gathered much data about your content yet. Okay, this task gives the YouTube algorithm a head start. Okay, so when your first few videos goes live, YouTube knows exactly where to place them and who to show your content to. Okay, moving on to second setting. This one is my personal time saver. Okay, you'll find them still on YouTube Studio settings. Under settings, there's a upload default. Okay, upload default is like creating a template for every video you upload. So you can set your default description, tags, visibility settings, and more. So for example, in my description, I always include my social media links, and then I add 2 to 3 relevant hashtags, right? And a short call to action encouraging viewers to subscribe. So under tags here, I include general ones like how to get more views on YouTube, how to grow on YouTube, and add content strategy. I leave a space to add a specific tags later depending on the topics that I'll be uploading on. Okay, this setting makes sure you never forget the basics, and it saves time with every single upload. Okay, now here's another thing most people don't talk about: set your video visibility to unlisted first before making it to public. Okay, I always upload my videos and leave them unlisted for 24 hours. Why? It gives the YouTube time to process your video, analyze and prepare the video, checking for copyright issues, scanning your metadata, and starting to understand what it's about. All right, this little buffer helps your video get stronger push when it finally goes public. It's like giving the YouTube algorithm a head start. You don't have to do this, but if you've ever uploaded a video and it got 0 views in the first hour, then this tip might just be what you need. Okay, let's talk about notifying your subscribers. When uploading, you will see the option public to subscription feed and notify subscribers. Now this sounds like something you should always leave on, but not necessary. Let me explain. If you've been posting consistently in one niche, for example YouTube education, like what I do, then yes, you absolutely need to keep it on. Okay, but if suddenly you want to try something new, like a vlog or storytime video that's unrelated, consider turning this off for that video. Why? Because if your usual viewers aren't interested in the new topic and they ignore it, this sends a signal to YouTube that your video isn't good, even if it's amazing. So please don't risk low click-through rate if your content isn't what your current audience expects. Moving on to setting 5 is automatic chapters. Now, YouTube offers automatic chapters which sound convenient, okay? But honestly, I sometimes turn this off. Why? Because YouTube often guesses wrong. The chapters don't match the content, the titles are weird, and it just ends up confusing the viewers. Instead, I recommend writing your own chapters manually. Just watch your video and jot down the key points and timestamps and add them in the description. All right, it takes some few minutes of your time, but it's way more accurate and it makes your video more professional. Okay, next up is end screens. These are the clickable links you see at the end of a video, suggesting other videos or inviting viewers to subscribe to your channel. Okay, if you are trying to grow your watch time or hit your monetization goal, then this is a must. Okay, every video should have at least one end screen. I personally use one video suggestion instead of two. Why? Because giving viewers too many options can be distracting. When you give one clear option, it's easier for the viewer to decide, and that often means they will actually click through. Okay, you can add them during upload or edit them later in YouTube Studio. Either way, it only takes a minute, but it keeps people on your channel longer, and that's good for the algorithm. Okay, finally, let's talk about remix features. This lets other creators click part of your video and use it in shorts. Okay, some creators love it. It's free promotion and your content gets in front of new audiences. Okay, others don't like it because they want full control of their content. Personally, I leave it on because it gives other creators chance to remix parts of my videos, and that's free exposure. Or if someone clips a helpful moment or tip and it reaches wider audience, that's more visibility for my channel. So it's up to you to weigh the benefits versus your content goals. Okay, and that's it. 7 simple settings that can make a big difference to your YouTube growth. If you haven't set this up yet, take 10 minutes today and get it done. It could save your time and help you grow faster on YouTube. Okay, if this video helped you, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. My name is Ekuyavi and I share YouTube growth tips to help small creators grow and succeed on YouTube. If that sounds like you, then you are in the right place. See you in my next video. Bye bye.